Neil, Tina is there. Let's meet.
Let's go.
Hey, Tina.
Hey Wafa, hey Tiamin.
Hey Tina, how's your day going?
It's going well, thanks. Just enjoying the night. Peter, how about you guys?
Come here. We were just discussing what to do this weekend. Any plans?
Not yet. I need check out that no Cafe Charlton have to get in there.
Not yet. But I've heard good thing about it. We should all go together.
Let's have fun. What do you think, Tina?
It looks that. Let's set the time.
How about Saturday afternoon?
Perfect. Looking forward to it.
Great. It is planned then. See you both on Saturday.
See you.
See you.